Brings us to August, the 8th month of the year, 2022. We're only going to do one CBP event. I've really tried to do one main event each month if possible. There's a couple of exceptions to that, but for August, we've elected to do the second hands-on workshop, August 19th through the 21st. This is a seminar that we intimately train on the practices and protocols of CBP technique. We absolutely train on mirror image adjusting for the doctor. That's Friday evening. We make sure you're up to speed on that. It's always a doctor favorite. You think you know the technique in and out, but when we put you in an intimate setting and we have you do some of the setups yourself, you can kind of see where you might need a little bit of extra work on the hands-on application of the mirror image parts of CBP adjusting. And I personally usually go through that with the doctors as well as our other seasoned doctors. They're going to teach you the ins and outs of mirror image setups on the drop table and or using the instruments that we have available. However, the main focus Saturday and Sunday is exercise and traction applications with a variety of the equipment that we have available. We're going to train on the Denroll traction table system. We're going to train on the universal traction system. We're going to train on Don Meyer's wall-mounted traction system and his remodeling collars. We're just going to make sure that everybody knows the ins and outs of the setups for a variety of cases. So we give you a case and then you have to break up into a group and you have to work with the equipment and do the setup. And then I come around and we talk about whether that setup is adequate or whether it's missing key components or whether it's completely wrong for the particular patient case at hand. And it's really a great way to see, are you doing the things correctly in CBP? We're trying to dial it in for you, and I promise you when you take this event, you'll walk away you know, with new knowledge and with new inspiration, and really with, I think, the ability to go back and refine some of the things that you're doing in your practice to improve your patient outcomes. The conference is always held at my facility in Eagle, Idaho. We do it here because we have all the equipment and we just have space to train properly, right? And if I do this at a hotel, it doesn't work out. And then oftentimes if I do this at a different doctor's location, they might not have the exact equipment that I want to train on. So I've learned over the years that I just do this out at my facility. That's what it's here for. We limit this to 25 or a maximum of 30 attendees. Once in a while I'll go up to 30, but I never go more than 30 attendees. And you have to have a background in CBP technique before you come to this. This is not for the beginner. So if you've never been to a CBP course, we're going to ask you not to come. In fact, we don't allow you to come to this event. We want you to have Module 1, Module 2, and then 2 of the 3 rehabilitation courses under your belt before you attend this particular course. And even though we are covering adjusting on Friday, the main parts of the event are really for your traction and exercise rehabilitation specialists in your office. So your tech CAs should absolutely come out to this. You should train as a team. So again, this is our August event. It's at the Ideal Spine Health Center. It's the hands-on workshop. Hopefully we see you there.